Hello internet world, welcome to a cheeky unboxing on the Geekanoids channel. This is the Marantz MCR612 network CD receiver. If you are looking for a full review on this particular device, then please do check out the link down in the video description. So this actually supports quite a lot of different media. We have got compact disc, we've also got Wi-Fi certified, Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay, high-res audio, HEOS, Amazon Music, Deezer, Napster, SoundCloud, Spotify, Tidal, TuneIn, and also works with Amazon Alexa. So let's get this unboxed and take a look. Very excited to actually have this in to review. This is also known as the Marantz Melody X. So let's take a look inside. Available in two different colours, like a champagne colour and also a black version. And what we've got here is the black version. So the first thing we're presented with in the top of the box is a quick setup guide. We've got the unit itself, which we'll take a very quick look at, but then we're going to delve deeper into the box to see what else is inside. And wow, this looks very nice. Really impressed with how that's looking. We'll take a closer look at this very shortly. Let's take a look further down inside the box though. We've got some extra goodies hidden away down here. So further down inside the box, we've got a couple of AAA batteries for the remote control. We have the remote control itself, which looks pretty good. I'll reserve judgment on this until the full review. We've also got a pack here with some information about Marantz and HEOS, and also what looks like to be an external antenna. And then last but not least, we have got a 3-pin UK plug with the figure 8 adapter on this end. Okay, and here we've got the Marantz Melody X itself, and it looks like a really nice unit. Quite a compact sort of cuboid type design. We've also got, of course, the traditional CD player in the front. We've got some controls here for navigating around the system and also ejecting the CD. Got a headphone port on the front here as well. We've got some controls for obviously the menu system and the display, back, input, power and volume. And then we've also got a 4-way control here with an enter button in the middle. Everything feels nice and clicky, nice and responsive. We've got some music streaming, HEOS and Amazon Alexa reference on the side here. And then round the back, we've got all of the various inputs and outputs. We've got the input here for that cable that I showed you earlier. We've got the speaker terminals. So we've got two separate sets of speakers that we can run here. Speaker set A and speaker set B. These unscrew, or you can take these off and use traditional banana plugs to plug your speakers in. We've also got the DAB FM antenna, which I showed you a bit earlier. We've got digital inputs for your TV perhaps, and a second optical digital input here as well. We've got analog in, also subwoofer out, and an audio output as well. And then on the right hand side, it looks like there's a little tiny service terminal connection here, network connection via Ethernet, and also a USB socket here. This looks like it just offers charging, but it may well offer an input of a USB device to play audio off of that device as well. And I'll confirm that during the full review. So that's it. This is an unboxing and first look at the Marantz Melody X, model number MCR612. Thanks very much for watching. Please do hit that like button. Please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in another video very soon.